Is your garage door making more noise than usual? Or perhaps it's not sliding as smoothly as it should? The culprit might be worn rollers. Rollers are crucial for the seamless movement of your garage door along its tracks. And when they wear out or get damaged, they can lead to a noisy and jerky operation that disrupts your day and risks further damage to your door. Don't let a small issue turn into a major headache. If you're in the Kiama area and experiencing these problems, it's time to call in the experts. Reach out to us at 0409-774-111 and let our team of qualified professionals restore the quiet and smooth operation of your garage door. Act now to ensure your garage door works perfectly when you need it most.